Awesome. Well, we're super happy with Abel and Luany. They receive us today in their home, and I know you have been having solar for 3 years. Will you be able to share with us like your experience? We also see you just purchased 2 beautiful electric vehicles. Are you guys excited?
Yes, we are. And I can tell you that I am so excited because we are saving in our electricity bill. It used to be $400 and now it's about like $50.
Wow.
And you know, there's other things that he can speak about.
Yeah, so basically, I mean, we're saving a lot with just the whole monthly electric charge. I mean, yes, we are paying a payment towards the solar panels, but overall, you'll see that you'll have at least in the range of $100, $150 savings per month. Just depends on, you know, your usage, how many things you're running, pool, etc. But definitely, it makes a lot of sense to not only go solar, but to go add electric vehicles to that, you know, because that's where you're gonna see an even more savings because, you know, to charge your electric vehicle, you're looking at between $3 if you have solar panels and $8 a charge if you don't have solar panels. So you compare that to, you know, $5 a gallon of gas, it makes a lot of sense to go solar and go electric.
Awesome. And you guys have been talking about the finance part of it. And I know, can I ask you, many people is curious, did you guys receive a tax credit?
Yes, we did. And it all depends how much is that you own in your tax, you know, to receive that tax credit. It's something that it varies per family, you know, and I will advise for you guys to speak with a CPA on that.
Also, but you did qualify for that. And
Yeah.
then you also see the impact you're making in the environment. Is that something important?
For me, it is, and for him, of course, because we do have a family and we have, you know, 2 beautiful children that they're growing up, and I want to have a greener, you know, planet for them and to last longer for them so they can have their babies eventually, you know, and we can see them, you know, growing in a safe, you know, enriched planet.
Awesome. Well, if you guys are interested in more information about solar or how to charge your electric vehicles with solar panels, we're here for you, any of us. And thank you, Abel and Luany, for having us today.
Thank you.
Bye.